Good morning, Beverly Hills. I am Owen Terry, your SCA Secretary.
And I'm Melissa Kelly, your SCA President. And this is the news for Tuesday, February 11th, 2020.
Today's word of the day is dissuade. To dissuade is to persuade a person not to do something.
Regardless of the racial barriers he faced, Arthur Ashe, an African American from Richmond, Virginia, was not dissuaded from becoming a tennis champion.
In today's day in history, in 1531, Henry XIII became the head of the Church of England.
200 years later, in 1752, the first hospital in the U.S. opened in Pennsylvania.
Today is National Inventors Day. In 1983, President Ronald Reagan coined the first National Inventors Day to take place every year on Thomas Edison's birthday.
Look around you. What are you thankful for? That was created by an inventor. A light switch, a telephone, an elevator. Thank an inventor today.
Nearly everything around us is the result of someone tinkering in their garage, laboratory, or basement trying to find a solution to a problem.
What will you be the next inventor? Keep track of your ideas, process, ingredients, and creations. If it could help the world, you could have your invention protected by a patent. This is Alyssa Kelly
and Owen Terry. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.